Domain and range. The question here is, determine domain and range for f of x equals to square root of 8 minus 2 absolute x. Now, a square root function should have non-negative number inside the radical sign. So to find the domain, we can equate 8 minus 2 absolute x should be greater than equal to 0. That should help us to find the domain. Solving, we get minus 2 absolute x is greater than equal to, we'll take 8 on the other side, which is minus 8. Now we can divide by minus 2. Whenever you divide by a negative number, inequality sign also changes. So it becomes less than equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. That means absolute x should be less than equal to 4. If absolute value of x is less than equal to 4, it really means that x is less than equal to 4 but greater than equal to minus 4. So that is how we solve inequality. So solving this inequality, we get x is between minus 4 and plus 4. So that is the domain for the given function, right? So we can write domain as x belongs to real numbers so that x is greater than equal to minus 4 and is less than equal to plus 4. Now how about range? Range is going to be positive. Now the maximum value will be when absolute x is 0. 8 minus something positive will be maximum when x value is 0, right? You're taking away minimum. If x value is 0, then we get absolute x as 0. So we get square root of 8 minus 0. To find range, what we can do is we can substitute these values to find the extreme values, which are, if I write minus 4 or 4, we get 8 minus 2 times 4, which is 0, right? So the range, basically, you can substitute x equals to plus minus 4 and then find what is the value of f of x. F of x is square root of 8 minus 2 times plus or minus 4. Either one of them, it will be positive. So this value is equal to 0. So that is the minimum value for the range. To get the maximum value, we can substitute 0 for x, right? So f of 0 is equals to square root of 8. So that is the maximum value. Therefore, we can write range as y belongs to real numbers so that y is greater than equal to 0 and is less than equal to square root of 8. Or square root of 8 is 2 square root 2. So we could write 2 square root 2 instead of 8. Square root 8 could also be written as square root of 4 times 2, which is equals to 2 square root 2, right? So you can replace square root of 8 by 2 square root 2 also. So that is how we can get domain and range for this particular function. I hope that helps. Thank you.